You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation from Genshin Impact. If you want to learn all character names that are confusing, the most confusing ones, stay tuned. I've got them all at the end of the video for you. It's from Japanese. Sangonomiya Kokomi. How to pronounce Sangonomiya Kokomi in English. If you cannot pronounce Japanese, Sangonomiya Kokomi. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.